All right, welcome everybody. So we're gonna do a little review with the LED headlights on my Z900. So right here you can see this is the stock halogen headlight that comes with the stock Z900. Here's the high beam. It's decent light, it's not bad. This is on my garage door. Now here is the LED headlight installed. It does have a little bit of a spread. The high beam, here we're comparing the both. On the left we have the new LED, on the right we have the halogen. Now here is the high beams. Now with the LED, on the standard beam, it definitely has a little bit more of a spread on the light, as you can see here on the door. The high beam gives you a nice, good, solid beam in the center. Now here we're comparing the two going down the road, the same speed. LED on the left, halogen on the right. I feel like the LED is a little low after I put in the LED headlight. It could do for some adjustment up. With this U-turn, you can see how much brighter the LED is over the halogen. When the high beam is engaged, there's a definite difference. With both beams on the LED and the halogen, without a doubt, you can see farther. And the question is, what does Simple Simon think? Well, the standard LED is brighter than the halogen. It does have a slight more of a spread. But does it knock my socks off? No. Now, when you turn on the high beam, with both on, it is way better than the standard halogen. You can see for miles. Everything's very bright. Also, it kind of pulls you into the 21st century. That you're not running around on the yellow halogen bulb. So riding around in the daytime, you're seeing easier. The bike looks cooler. You have the white, bright lights. So, Simple Simon, I give it a thumbs up. I would say, hey, if you got the extra 40 bucks and you got some time, it's a simple project, it's not that hard. Swap them out. If you're liking my content, please like and subscribe. I'll be bringing more content and different projects. Might even be incorporating some of my wife's Yamaha R3. I know us Kawasaki guys, we don't care for that, but, you know, hey. Until next time, see y'all later.